Hi, my name is Patrick. This specific video is to help you with regards to preparation for interview. So, one part of the interview is are the personal questions, and that's one of the most important part of the interview. The basic idea is if you don't know yourself, how are you going to prepare for whatever is going to come? So the personal interview question becomes the important part, and normally the first questions asked in the interview are the personal questions. So in that case, let's look at top five personal interview questions that people should ideally be prepared for. Now, this particular video will not tell you the answers for that because what we believe is not to have standard answers for any particular question. Because most of the interviewer knows what are the standard answers because they've been hearing it so many times. Okay, and so it makes sense for you to prepare for these answers on your own and then try to get it verified from some particular source as such. But yes, be prepared for these interview questions uh, and are the most likely questions that can be asked as far as the personal interview goes. If we look at it, one of the most common question that is asked is tell me something about yourself. Normally the first question that is asked. So it also becomes the introduction. It also helps the panelists to know you better. It also helps him to know what questions to ask you. So be prepared for this. The most important question. I'm not saying the interview will start with this, but if you're prepared for this question, you will obviously know yourself better, and therefore, any other question that comes on personal case, you should be able to answer. Why should we take you? Very important to differentiate. I mean, why should I take you instead of the other candidates who are there? I mean, that's the idea of interview, right? We evaluate you to see how good you are, and you have to sell yourself in the interview. So why should we take you become another important part. Know how and why you should be taken. If you don't believe in yourself, I don't know why the panel should believe in you. So in that case, have a good answers. Be prepared with the answers at least. Should not be caught by surprise. Where do you see yourself 5 years from now? They check whether your goals at least are aligned with whatever you're applying to. So in that case, knowing where you want to go forward is one important thing, and to see where yourself 5 years from now is an important way of knowing how much you know yourself better. So this is futuristic in pace. Why should we take you is more of past, and whereas where you see yourself 5 years from now is more of future in that case. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Again, do you know yourself? Strengths and weakness, no examples in terms of why is it your strengths, why is it a weakness. And it should be relevant strength and weakness. We normally recommend not to hide your weakness. A lot of people do that, but it doesn't give a good perspective of the student. Because everyone has a weakness, even a panelist knows this, everyone has a weakness. So it makes sense to be, at least to partly be honest as far as the weaknesses are concerned in the interview. This is also question is asked basically to find out how honest you are basically as far as the interview is concerned. Describe yourself in whatever 1 word, 2 words, 5 words, etc. So have words that describe you. So again, more of trying to introspect, understand yourself better, and that is what will help you, to prepare for the interviews. So look at these top five personal questions that are there. Be prepared for them. Okay. Try to see, have original answers for them. Don't try to copy it from others. Very bad way of doing it. Try to have original answers as such far as possible, and be prepared for the question that comes after these also. So not only these answers, but whatever question will come further on should be prepared. I hope that helps. Right. So we have courses on PIVAT. You can obviously join for the course. You can go to this link to join for the PIVAT course or call on the numbers mentioned out here. Thank you.